Hello everybody, Tahina here, and today I'm going to be showing my Ipsy warehouse sale, the items that I chose. Every year Ipsy does a warehouse sale, and the sale is usually about 70% off certain items. And some items may leave the website, and then I've seen other items still go back on the website and be there for like another year. So I don't know how they choose what items to pick, but I wanted to show you what I got. If I can open this back up. Okay, so I kind of did it really fast, like when it first started, because I didn't want some of the items to sell out. So since I didn't want some of the items to sell out, I kind of purchased a couple of things that I didn't realize I actually got. Okay, so the first thing that I did get are these washi tapes, the metallic washi tapes. I always wanted these, but I never purchased them. I guess I kept forgetting to put them in my cart. I don't know. But they were on sale, and I think they were only like $1.35. So I got those. And then I also got the designer note card set with 50 line 3x5 note cards with the ring binder. They also had the refills. I didn't get the refills though. I don't know why I didn't get the refills. Yeah, so they all look the same. But I got this because back to school was starting. So the only thing is, I think the refills don't have the circle, so you can't use it for the rings. And then the next things I got a bunch of dot grid petite journals, and I just never got around to getting these. So, and these were about $1 or something too. A lot of this stuff was about $1.35 or so. And it does have the little stamp thing on the pages. I don't know what like the asterisk with the square, I guess you want to call it. And so all of these are the same. So I got the I forget what, the kaleidoscope, and then the woven wonders. That's what they called that. I forgot what they were calling it. Let's see. Okay, so the next thing I got were the sticky notes that were for this year's teacher planner. I thought I could definitely use these since school's starting back, especially this one. So I remember, when my assignments are due and stuff. So I thought that'd be useful. And then I got a bunch of sticker packs. So I got the holiday one or the winter holiday one, because winter's coming up. So, and I never got around to purchasing any of these. I also got like the Valentine glitter stickers. Let's see. Hold on. It's just one sheet. I think this one sheet. Okay, all of these are one sheet. I don't know why I thought they were two. Okay, the other ones are two. Okay, so then I got the Petite Planner journaling. Petite Planner goal setting journal. I didn't realize that was for the Petite Planner. I just like the little bubbles, and I thought these were cute. But yeah, I didn't realize it was for the Petite Planner. But that's okay, because I really do like the Petite Planner. So, okay, are they both the same? Yeah, okay, so they're both the same. And that's fine. I'll still use those. Okay, so the next sticker pack I got with the Floral Festival stickers, and I got these. Oh, okay, it's the same. And I got these to decorate the petite planner, because usually there's like a lot of space that you can just use some deco stickers for. And the last sticker pack I got is for the traveling. I know I wanted this sticker pack, but I don't remember putting this in my cart though. But it's fine because I was going to get it anyway. I just don't remember putting it in there. And I think both sheets are the same. Yes, both sheets are the same. Okay, and I'm fine with that because as soon as we're like, I know people do travel still right now, but I'd rather wait until, you know, at least it dies down a little bit more. But I will be traveling to see my daughter because she lives in Michigan. Okay, and then they also had special journals, or notebooks I should say, specifically for the warehouse sale. There was 3 of them. There was the layers, the colorful, the layers, neutral, and the flower, floral flower, whatever, I forget what it's called. So I got the neutral one, and all the sheets are perforated, so you can tear them out, and they're all lined notebooks. So, like I said, I was going back to school, so I'm glad I got these. And they do come with a sheet of stickers in the back, which is good. So I got that one, and then I got the flower one as well. And when the new planners first launched, which is really weird, I thought people were like gonna be like, the layers suck or whatever, and they'd rather go for the floral, but everybody loved the layers. I'm like one of the one people. I'm like one of the ones that actually like the floral better. And I did get the a planner in the floral, but the only problem with the floral is the same problem as the kaleidoscope, where the stickers don't cover the at the top left-hand corner. So now I'm probably going to get a layers neutral planner because I don't like the floral now because of that. I wish they had like a neutral floral, like they could have did like light browns and stuff like that. But these, anyway, these are the pages. Sorry for going on with that, but so these are lined too, and I believe they're the same colored stickers. Or this is neutral, so it might be different colors. Yeah, it is different colors, but I bet if I got the colorful layers, it'd be the same colors. Okay, so I got those, and then this last thing that I picked up, I know I put it in my cart, but it wasn't what I thought it was. Like, I thought it was another sticker sheet like these, but it wasn't. It was actually the stickers in the back of the planner of the 2019-2020 planners. And I'm upset about this. Like, I like the stickers. I'll probably use the stickers anyway. But what I'm upset about is I paid $4.50 for this one sheet. Now, I did not realize, like I said, I was in a rush. I didn't want stuff to sell out. So I purchased everything. That's my bad. But I'm just like, 70%. 70%. I don't think this is worth $4.50, even without the 70%. This should have sold for like 50 cents. But other than that, I did get one item that wasn't in the warehouse sale, which are the Hello Kitty page markers, because I really, really wanted these. I didn't get any Hello Kitty stuff the first day it launched, and I regret it because a lot of the stuff I really, really wanted sold out. But I got these because I knew these were going to sell out. And as soon as I purchased these, like the next day or the day after, these sold out. So I'm glad I actually got these. I'm still, because who knows, like they'll say they'll be back soon, and they'll say that for like 6 months and they'll never come back. So these are, they're really sturdy. They're not, you know, like super flimsy or anything like that. So I'm definitely going to use these. I should have probably got 2 of these, but hopefully they will come back to the shop, or the website, so I can get some more of these, and the stickers and the sticky notes and everything else that's sold out. So that's everything that I got in my warehouse, for the warehouse sale. Did you purchase anything? If you did, what did you get? And like this video, and I would love it if you would subscribe, and I will see you next time.